Well, on additional funding, definitely this is for the Council to decide. Definitely, we are ready to look into all the possibilities and ideas how we can raise some additional funds. A lot of things are going in parallel related with the finances. For example, the question is how big will be EDIP budget? Now it's only 1.5 billion, but Parliament is pushing to find additional funds. There are some possibilities to use, for example, unspent cohesion funds and RRF money. But those decisions will depend on member states, and again, we need to have final decisions by Parliament and Council on some of our legal proposals, which still are discussed by European institutions. So those are, different opportunities. I cannot tell now that exactly we know from where the money can be raised, but that request that there is a need of additional funds, we hear that very clearly. So, and we shall send this message also to Commission leadership, and perhaps that will be discussed also in the Council. Besides that, it would be very important, really, for us to do initial technical job, to have a common concept, and to have very clear evaluation how much it will cost. And here, I can just mention that earlier in summertime, both Polish and also Baltic states defense ministers, including Polish defense minister, they sent a letter for us into Commission with description of so-called Eastern Shield. Eastern Shield, which covers also some provisions on anti-drone capabilities, with some evaluation of how much it will cost. I cannot tell you all the precise numbers, but this is what I would say, single digital billions of money. It's not something like flying through the roof, and impossible to find.